Hi, friends, welcome to our technology channel. In this video, I will tell you the best 10 courses of Udemy that are totally free with certifications. All the course links are added in the description, by there you can enroll. All the courses you see in this video are temporarily free for 1 or 2 days, that is only for 20th, 21st and 22nd April 2020. If you see the video in the future, it will not work. Before we start so let's get started. The first course is a complete Angular course, Go from Zero to Hero. In this course, you will learn from scratch. This course is for the complete beginner, and by the end of the course, you will be at an advanced level. The course also contains practical with theory. Duration is 3 hours 30 minutes with certification. Enroll now, 2 days left. The second course is Run Search Ad in Google Ads, an easy search engine optimization for the beginner. The best chance to start with Google Ads with its core features explained within just 1 hour in this comprehensive training. It's very easy to understand and apply. Duration is 2 hours 5 minutes with certification. Enroll now, 20 hours left. The third course is Corporate Accounting for Beginners. For commerce students, this course will make it simple and easier. This course is made in a self-paced learning style. Kindly listen to course carefully and note down the points. Duration is 1 hours 38 minutes with certification. Enroll now, 2 days left. The fourth course is Shopify Guide, a complete Shopify creation course. Everyone knows that it's not easy to start out in the e-commerce world. Entrepreneurs put a lot of research and time to get e-commerce business successful. But this course will help you to learn methods more effectively that will help you to boost the e-commerce business. Duration is 2 hours 40 minutes with certification. Enroll now, 2 days left. The fifth course is Teaching Talent course. It enhances teaching skills and classroom management traits on priority. The objective is towards making teaching a wow experience for both the learners and the teachers. Duration is 1 hour 16 minutes with certification. Enroll now, 2 days left. The sixth course is Speaking on the Telephone, that is confidentially spoken on the phone. In this How to Speak on the Telephone class, you will learn how to communicate effectively on business calls, teleconferences and other presentations made by phone. Duration is 50 minutes with certification. Enroll now, 1 day left. The seventh course is First to Step into the WordPress membership site. If we relate to another platform that is Blogger, GoDaddy, etc., in that WordPress is the easier way to start a site. This course especially helps for beginners and also to the expert to get tips. Let's get started today. Duration is 2 hours 48 minutes with certification. Enroll now, 2 days left. The eighth course is Active Reading, double your reading speed and fluency. We spend a lot of time while reading books, by that some other works get postponed. But by this course, you will able to increase the learning speeding and also you able to remember the content in the book. Duration is 2 hours 48 minutes with certification. Enroll now, 2 days left. The ninth course is 100 Kaizen Practices towards excellence. 100 Kaizen Practices, it showcases the quality mantras towards excellence and deliberates it will outcome in a win-win approach. Duration is 43 minutes with certification. Enroll now, 2 days left. The 10th course is especially for the gaming community, that is, course name is Starting to Finish, creating a complete game using the 3D community. In this course, you will able to create a 2D game, that is Whack-A-Zombie, from start to finish. During the course, you will learn code and all the mechanics of the game and Visual Studio's interactions. Duration is 3 hours 28 minutes with certification. Enroll now, 2 days left. So that's it for guys today. If you like the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.